Hi, Imran from Car Sound Security. We've just finished installing some Qvia Q790S quad front and rear dash cams on this BMW X5 2019. Let me show you the install. So let's just get you a close-up of the rear. That's the rear camera, nice and tiny. Let's open the boot and show you the quick install. So there's the inside nicely sort of tucked away. No sort of cable showing in the interior. Let's go to the front. So there's your front dash cam, nicely, again, cables routed through, nothing showing through the roof lining. So it seamlessly connects the Wi-Fi straight to it. It's probably not as clear because I'm recording on a camera, but that's so you can basically download videos straight away. If you're interested in getting this done on your vehicle, feel free to give us a call on 0208 554 554. Thanks for watching.